Good morning, retail traders. Well, as you can see, fake meat will be up this morning. It had some real good news. BYND, BYND. It'll be Kentucky Fried Chicken for sure. But I want to go ahead and talk about inflation. We call it meatflation. In 1 year, I went out over the weekend and bought me a ribeye. I mean, it was not a big ribeye, but better than a small one. Medium-sized ribeye. Cost me $24 for that thing. And I said, I want a ribeye. I walked in there to get a ribeye. So I'm going to pay it. And then I got home, looked at it, and I said, well, I'm going to cut the thing in half, and then I could have 2 meals out of it. So it's either that. Last year I would have ate the whole thing. I would have probably invited someone over for dinner. But with the cost of inflation, the way food is, I just it's made me healthier. I will tell you that. I've maintained a better diet during the year of 2021. So that's about the best thing that's happened out of 2020, plus making good money. But inflation, we call it meatflation. I don't think this is accurate either. I think it's a little bit higher than what this national average is. And I live in Missouri, so I can just imagine what meat prices are in higher living areas like Hawaii or New York or even the bigger cities, all the bigger cities. So I'm bullish on BYND. And it had just a bunch of news. It come in here yesterday and it was talking about Kentucky Fried Chicken Beyond Meat is climbing because they're they exercised an experiment with their BYND meat, and they liked it. It was a success. For they're going to be supplying I think a lot of their Kentucky Fried Chicken stores on this coming Monday with meat, and I can't wait to try it out. So I'm excited about that. Now let's go straight to the chart. Now this thing's been beaten down horribly. I'm pulling up a weekly chart here. Weekly, it's a double bottom down here at the bottom. I'm going to get rid of this little alert right here so you can see it. We do have a low down here if it does decide to go ahead and dip, but I think we're going to be moving up to resistance levels. Now that resistance level is going to be right at around $73. If the thing pulls back, we'll look at it here on the 1 minute. And you'd have you a nice little support idea if the thing pulls back to this area right in here, right around 65.36. So I'd put me some kind of, an alert. Just in case that touches that today. The momentum in the market's really good right now. And then anything below that will be a strong buy. So we'll put another support idea right here at 64.55, 64.50, 65.36, and then the resistance levels. The first one is going to be right up in here. If we can get past that, I think we are. Let me look after hours. Right now we're right around 67, so I know this thing's up. Probably going to open up right around 68.28 or break that. So that's going to be one of your resistance levels, and then your next one's going to be right here. Then if she decides to run up, your hard resistance for today is going to be the 72.36 to 73.02. Mind you, on the year chart, we got 82.04 and 89.17 next. So for today, support level is going to be between 64.55 and 65.36. The resistance to break today is going to be this channel right in here, 68.28 to 70.17. If it does that, She should run up to your next resistance level of 72.36 and a long of $73. And then after that, I think 75 would be a very long-term investment into 2022. And have a great day. This is BYND. I'm definitely bullish on the company. I've always liked this company, and we've had a double bottom. She's ready to buy and hold a core and scalp it up and down. You will have volatility. There are still fake meat haters out there. You got a lot of bears that'll go against you on this trade. But let's see if we can outbull them this time. And I wish everybody a great 2022. BYND.